Hello everyone. So for today, I am going to tour you around Canva. I know Canva is quite popular, so I've decided to create this tour for those who haven't tried Canva yet. Have been using Canva for over 2 years now, and I actually like it. If you want fast social media graphics, you can do it here. Even PDFs like for ebooks, PowerPoint slides, you can create on Canva. There's so much more. So I'm going to tour you around Canva, and hopefully you will also like it. I actually have a paid Canva, so because it's very useful for me as a virtual assistant, so I decided to also pay for Canva, and it's a great investment. So before logging in, make sure you sign up. So you can sign up using Facebook, sign up Google, or sign up with email. So I always sign up using email. So let's log in. It's easy. You will then be taken to the dashboard. My dashboard is personalized. See the colors. I changed it because I like this color. If you have paid Canva or Canva for work, the right term, you can change and add in your brand color. So that's the difference between paid Canva or Canva for work and the free Canva. With the Canva for work, you can add in your brand colors under here, your brand. So add in your brand colors. You can edit your desired fonts. Like the default fonts, you can change. I haven't changed mine because I added in also the fonts I usually use. These aren't mine, my clients actually. The fonts they like for their social media posts. So you can upload your own fonts and also your logos or the logos that you often use. So by default, it will appear in every design you make or in every uh in every design, or every time you make a design, you will find it immediately, so you don't have to upload it. Then you can also edit folders and add in your images. So now let's go back to the dashboard. So it's dashboard. You will see once you have a lot of designs created, you will immediately see the designs here. It's automatically saved, which of course you can also delete. Just by clicking and move to trash. So I have so many because I also let my daughter use Canva. She enjoys it. Anyway, so here on top are the different templates. So if you click more, you will find that we have the different templates. So the popular designs, Facebook post, the square post for social media, Instagram, Twitter, slides for presentation, Pinterest graphic, poster. So we also have the others for social media posts. You can find it in your Tumblr, Facebook app, Instagram post. For documents, so if you're going to make ebooks, you can make use of these different sizes. If you also make certificates, letterhead, magazine, so it's all on here. So for blogging, marketing materials, labels, so every time you click this, you will be taken to the template. So for example, we make a Facebook post. So just click on it and you will be taken to the template. So we have here a blank template. So this is also the same you will see with the free Canva. What makes it different with the paid Canva is with the paid Canva, you have the magic resize option. The magic resize option is if you change your mind, you do not, since we have for Facebook posts, you decided, oh no, I made a mistake, it's for Twitter. So all you have to do is click the Twitter post and abracadabra. It will resize to the size for Twitter. And if you have like the design already, so it will retain the elements. So it's as easy as that. So all you have to do is just stretch, move around, and you're good to go. So that's what I like about Canva. You can resize it immediately using the magic resize. So for Canva for work, you can save it or make a copy of it. Aside from that, for Canva for work, you can make the background transparent. This is not available for Canva. So this is advantage when you are creating logos. So for example, this is your logo. Let's remove the background. So for example, this is your logo. So all you have to do is transparent background, then download. So your original file will not have the white background. Instead, you will have the transparent background. I will be showing that later in a different video. So let's tour around the different elements we have here. We have the search button. So Canva offers free images. So for example, beach. So they have free photos that you can use. So this is very nice. And of course, they also have paid ones. The paid one is at $1 per image, which you can use or edit within 24 hours. Now the layouts. These are free. There are also paid ones. So you just choose or create your own from scratch. So you have the different elements for your design. The free photos, the grids, different layouts. So you just choose and play around with it. The frames, which I also often use. I personally use the round ones when I'm using, when a client asks me to cut out images in circle like this. See? So her image is already in a circle. And all I have to do is download transparent. So, and then my original file will just be the circle cutout. Then we also have the seasonal ones. So like today, this change depending on the season. Like if for Christmas, you will see Christmas images. Then we have the shapes, lines, the shapes for your designs. So we have a variety. The lines, excuse me. Then the illustrations. So if you're making a logo, these are very helpful and you can edit this. The icons, then charts, Canva signatures, then the images, which are free and more free if you have Canva for work. Now we have the text. So adding text is also easy. So let's do this. All you have to do is click on the heading and add your name. You can edit it here on the menu on top. So if you have your uploaded fonts, like I have here, choose which font you like or use Canva's own fonts. So these are, there's quite a lot to choose from. This one. And automatically, if you want to change the size, just click or type the size. Choose the colors. So if you want it this color, you may also have it bulleted, all caps, alignment, change here, bold or italicized. So it's that easy. They also have this text templates that you can also use. This will be great for quotes or you're doing graphics for your clients. Background. So you can also change the white background. They have free ones, patterned ones, and also the default palette. See? So all you have to do is click. So it is that easy. Next, the upload section. So the upload section is if you have your own or your client's logo. So it will then be saved here. So all you have to do is drag it. Drag, and that is saved. So Canva automatically saves this, but out of habit, I always click on save. Then it will appear on your dashboard. So this is the one we edit. It's a bit slow, but this is the one that we're editing. So if you want to design it later on or go back to it and edit, it's all saved. And the capacity is actually big. I actually do not know how many files I have here. So it's great. So you can just come back to your old designs later on. I have quite a lot. I'm not sure. So many. So that's it for Canva. It's so easy to use. I love it. Like for quick social media posts or doing cover photos or ebook, simple ebook designs. You can all do it here. So feel free to ask me questions at tradeconsorte@gmail.com. Thank you and have a great day. And I forgot. If you're done with your design, it's easy to save. So all you have to do is click on download. Choose which file type you like, if it's in JPEG, PNG, or if you want it in PDF. The animated GIF are for GIFs. So you can also choose this if you're making GIF. So PNG is the recommended. So all you have to do is click on it, PNG, and click on download. You can also change the file name here by clicking on this area and change the file name and done. Then file and download. You can also make this design public. So if someone visits your Canva profile, they will be able to see the designs you're making. So it can serve as like your graphic portfolio. So that's it, and thank you once again.